Hi, this is Larry Kearney. Welcome to my auto high ticket cloaker review. And this is a new system that enables you to make $1,000 commission plus without selling anything. It's the world's first 100% automated AI super affiliate. Now, I'm using this software myself. It just came out today. Now, allows you to make $1,000 commission, no selling. They take care of all the selling for you, high ticket commissions, and also has reoccurring payments. When people join, they can continue paying, and you can make even more money. So no selling, no talking, no showing your face. They handle all the product release, the video that you'll be offering, and it shows you how to use AI and other networks to get leads, to get qualified, great buyer leads. So everything's included with this, folks. You can set everything up. You can be done in a half an hour to 60 minutes. You don't have to do no hosting. You don't have to do any videos. All that is supplied with a great product that they have been using to make $1,000 commission per item, and it comes with reoccurring payments. So you can make money for months or years just from selling this one product, and it's only $17.95. It's a 30-day money-back guarantee by Jono and these Robin Palmer. So Jonah has been around in the game for years. He's a man in the internet business. So you can't go wrong, folks. I have this course and I'm using it. I already started today. It's a solid way to make $1,000 commission without selling anything, and it shows you how to get targeted leads for free. So you can't get it better than that. It's Larry Kearney. Check it out. Click the link below. Watch the demo and get started making money today. This is Larry Kearney. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see everyone in the next video.